Okay, let's look at Module 5, Lesson 17. And this is a review. We've done this already, and we've actually done this homework assignment. And if you remember, we were using the hundreds, tens, and ones chart to solve this. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of a different way and see if you like this way a little bit better than what we learned back when we were doing Module 5. Okay, so if you notice, all of the numbers are ending in zeros, and we seem to panic when we know we have to subtract from zeros, but I think this is going to be a little bit easier for you. So let's write our number down. Remember, the bigger number always goes on top. Okay, so let's first do it the way that we've been doing it in class. Okay, so we looked at the ones place and we saw that it had a bigger bottom, which means we have to look to the tens place, and we see that it also has a bigger bottom, and we're going to need to borrow. And we would need to borrow from the hundreds place, so we're going to cross out the 2 and make it a 1. This normally would be a 10, but we have to borrow for the ones place, so we have to cross it out, instead make it a 9, and then the ones place would become a 10. So we have 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is, of course, 0. Okay, so this different way, I'm going to move this just a little bit, would have us subtracting 1 from the original numbers. Okay, so let's try that. I'm going to erase this part here. Okay, we're going to write it down once more. 200 minus 123 equals. Okay, so this time we're going to do it a little different. I'm going to subtract 1 from the top number. I'm going to subtract 1 from the bottom number. Okay, and then 1, I'm thinking in my mind, 200 minus 1. What is one number before I reach 200? That is 199. And then I'm also thinking in my mind, what is one number before 123? And I know that that would be 122. Okay, now I'm going to subtract. I'm going to change color so you can see what I'm doing. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. And we get the same number, 77, the same difference as we got when we subtracted 200 minus 123. Okay, so for this problem set, I want you to give it a try solving it that way. And now remember, you can do this for hundreds, for numbers ending in zeros, but you can't do this all of the time, so just be mindful of that. Okay, give it a try and let me know what you think.